How Linux keeps hackers away. Linux is often hailed as more secure than Windows, and for good reason. Unlike Windows, Linux is open source, meaning its code is publicly available for anyone to inspect. This many eyes approach ensures bugs and vulnerabilities are spotted and fixed rapidly. In fact, with thousands of developers reviewing Linux every day, security patches roll out freakishly fast once an issue is found. By contrast, Windows uses a closed, security by obscurity model, so only Microsoft's in-house team hunts for bugs. As one security review notes, Linux's open code and stricter privilege system, regular users lack admin rights by default, give it a security edge. In Linux, even if a malicious program runs, it typically can't gain full system control without extra permissions, whereas on many Windows systems, everyone is an admin by default, making malware spread much easier. Key security advantages of Linux. Open source transparency. Linux's code is publicly audited. Many experts and enthusiasts review it daily, so vulnerabilities are discovered and patched quickly. Strict privileges. By default, Linux users run with limited rights. Administrative, root, privileges must be explicitly granted, e.g. via sudo. This makes it harder for malware to gain full access, unlike many Windows setups where users unknowingly have full admin power. Built-in hardening. Most Linux distributions include advanced security features like UEFI Secure Boot, kernel lockdown, and mandatory access control, Mac systems, SE Linux, APARmore. These tools let you tightly control what applications can do, far beyond the basic controls on Windows. For example, Linux's kernel lockdown can even stop a hijacked root account from modifying the core OS code. Diverse distributions, security through variety. Unlike Windows, Linux isn't a single monolithic OS but a buffet of distributions, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, Arch, etc. Each distro has different default settings, package managers, and components. This diversity is a security benefit. An exploit written for one distro or version often won't work on another. As one expert explains, one exploit isn't going to work everywhere when everyone's running customized setups. In other words, hackers can't use one-size-fits-all malware to compromise Linux PCs the way they often do on Windows. In fact, because Linux comes in many flavors, it's more difficult for attackers to target multiple distributions simultaneously. This fragmentation forces attackers to tailor their methods for each system, a big disadvantage for them. Linux systems can be locked down with built-in encryption and security tools. For example, most distros support dmcrypt, LUKS full disk encryption, protecting data even if your device is stolen, and include Secure Boot and SE Linux, APARmore for hardening the system. Built-in encryption and secure defaults. Linux makes strong encryption easy. Many distributions offer full disk encryption during installation, using tools like dmcrypt with LUKS, so that all your files are locked behind a password. This means if your computer is lost or stolen, the data on it is unreadable without the key. In comparison, Windows BitLocker exists but often isn't enabled on home PCs. Beyond disk encryption, Linux uses robust cryptography throughout. For example, SSH, secure remote login, VPNs, and file systems all support strong encryption standards, AES, RSA, etc., as a matter of course. Linux also includes advanced security features by default. Modern Linux kernels come with UEFI Secure Boot and kernel lockdown, ensuring only trusted code runs on your hardware. Mandatory access control frameworks, SE Linux, APARmore, are built into many distros, letting you specify exactly what each program is allowed to do. These layered defenses mean a Linux system starts in a fundamentally secure place. There are strong safeguards at the core, unlike on many Windows installs.